Creating modern beats using the new step sequencer is a fast workflow for coming up with new rhythmic and creative ideas. Let's start by laying down a snare, and then let's drop down a kick drum. Now you can already see the speed that we're laying down a pattern. Let's drop in our hats. Now to add hi-hat rolls, we can go to Step Edit and use our ratchet tool. Simply select the step and add the ratchet amount. Now to add pitch to our hi-hat rolls, let's go to Modifier. Here we can parameter lock our pitch per step. You can really see how fast it is to lay down pattern ideas using the new step sequencer. Now let's lay down our 808. Now let's bring in a melody using Cloud Supply. Now we're going to add real-time effects using our function buttons, selecting Pad Grid. Here I've signed Flex Beat, Tape Stop to half speed that we can activate in real time, keeping you in the vibe.